To download your UAE visa copy, you have two ways. 1. Using UAE Pass, you can only view your visa, not download it. You may take a screenshot if needed. 2. Using the ICP Smart Services app, this lets you download the visa in PDF format. Steps 1. Go to the Play Store App Store, search ICP UAE Smart Services and install the app. 2. Open it, select English and allow permissions. 3. Tap Sign in with UAE Pass. Confirm the login in your UAE Pass app and enter your 4-digit PIN. Enter your 4-digit PIN. 4-digit PIN in 4-digit 4. Accept the terms and conditions. 5. Once inside, scroll down to cards. 6. Tap Visa Copy, then your visa will appear. 7. Tap the PDF icon to download your visa file, or tap Share to send it by WhatsApp or email.